as I might have mentioned on a previous video from electronic-y bits on the Range Rover, I received a package today, here. Now I know what it is, well I hope I know what it is, because my radio on my Yaris has, after 18 years, the volume knob stopped working. Now it is a CD player, and it doesn't do all that much, so I thought I'd splash some of my cash on this, so let's have a look and see what it is. Big box, isn't it? I bet there's no in it. Wish it was some razor blades, some blades. Look at these here. There you go, told you that's what it is. Hope it's the right thing. And I got this surprisingly off eBay because they didn't have anything suitable in that on Amazon. So here we go, there's the box. Packing. Some leads. Oh look, there's a rear view camera there. That's nice, isn't it? More leads. More leads. And what's in here? Don't tell me there's more leads in here. Nicely packed. And this is the reason why I got it. Of course, I was a bit disappointed there that I couldn't remember. I couldn't say what it was. It's a LED or LCD player. And everything, it's all in one, if you see what I mean. So this is the moulding for my Yaris. See, I take the old bit out and I clip this one in. How neat is that? So it should look exactly the same. It's got some pop-outs there for my my buttons and things like that goes in there. So that's a nice touch, isn't it? There you go. I'll need them. But it should just pop straight in. So I'm really looking forward because it looks really neat, doesn't it? I mean, you must admit, I'm not going to take the plastic off until I get it in, but it's got nice shiny plastic which will match my my Yaris. And that's where all the plugs and stuff like that go in the back. Oh, it's got a GPS plug as well. But I didn't need a CD because on here it's got like an MP3 thing, input I think. Is it? It should have. Somewhere. I hope so. Otherwise I won't be able to play all my Mac Monroe albums. How do you get an input into it? That might be disappointing. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, so that's it. All in one. Is there any instructions with it? Oh, there is. There you go. Car MP5 player. MP5, eh? What's an MP3 then? Oh, I think I know what you do. You use your mobile phone to access it, I think. I hope. Android phone, iOS phone. What's the point of me having a bloody mobile phone? I only have 2 people on it. Yeah. Well, we'll fit that tomorrow. Looking forward to doing that. Alrighty, that's just an intro. See ya.